Hello everyone, welcome to Galbi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make 감자전, the potato pancake. It is very similar to the hash brown that we eat at breakfast, but this recipe is a little bit different than that. It's crunchy outside, but super chewy and juicy inside. Let's get started. I'm going to start with peeling off the skin of the potato. And then cut them into small pieces. And then throw them into a food processor. I'm going to slice the green pepper and then put it in the food processor to add the spiciness into the 감자전. You can just slice them and throw them into a food processor. Sorry for the noise at the back. I'm making the rice for myself. Pour a little bit of water into a food processor to make them grind easily. Place them on a sifter, then leave it for about 15 minutes. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then you'll be able to get the potato starch at the bottom of the water. While I'm waiting for the potato starch to be sunk, I'm going to slice the red pepper for the garnishment. Them aside. I think we got all cornstarch at the bottom here. I'm going to drain the water out of the bowl. Add the potato back into a bowl. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Then using spatula, mix them well. Then we have to season them with the salt. Then mix them well. Vegetable oil on a frying pan. Then heat it up on a medium heat. Once the frying pan is heated, use the ladle to scoop up the potato and then place them on a frying pan. Get the red pepper that you sliced earlier. Place them nicely for the garnishment. I think I can have one more here. When you see more than half from the bottom becomes transparent, you can flip it over with the spatula. Let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of vinegar, and half tablespoon of sugar. Chop the green onion finely. Then into soy sauce. Then chop them finely. Then put them into the 감자전 is done. Just gonna dip it into sauce. It's very crunchy from the outside and then very juicy and chewy inside. Your subscription is a big help for me. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!